Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off the camera and locking the quick-release plate. This prevents sudden shifts. Next, clear straps or cables so you can reach the remote and mount points. Move the tripod to a comfortable working height and steady the legs. This reduces wobble while you work. Once steady, flip the head cover or release any dust cap. Make small test grips to confirm the remote is reachable and held by the mount, because access matters for safe removal. Now you focus on the attachment hardware and why it matters. Identify screws, clips, or hex bolts securing the remote to the plate. Use the correct tool, screwdriver, hex key, or small pliers, and apply steady, even pressure to avoid stripping fasteners. Support the remote with your free hand so it doesn't pivot or fall when a bolt releases. Once a fastener loosens, pause and reevaluate alignment. If pieces are spring-loaded, control their movement to prevent loss of small parts. Finish by removing the last fasteners and lifting the remote straight off the mount. This preserves alignment. Inspect electrical contacts and threads, clean dirt or corrosion, and replace any missing screws with correct size hardware to ensure future stability. If the remote is stuck, try penetrating oil on fasteners, heat the metal gently to expand it, or back screws slightly and retighten to free tension. Make sure to test reattachment after cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.